per the problem statement, the cylinder is resting on one of its generator on horizontal plane and axis is inclined to VP at a 60-degree angle. So initially assume that the cylinder is resting on one of its end generator on HP and axis is perpendicular to VP. So initially draw the front view, which will show circle. Now look at the center point for the circle, as the diameter which we are considering is 40 millimeter. So leaving from this point, mark the center point of a 20 millimeter. Now take this distance in compass, that is a 20 millimeter, as a radius and draw the circle. Now divide the circle in 12 parts. Draw the horizontal center line. Now take this distance in compass, that is a 20 millimeter of radius. With the 12 points by this method, it will cut here, then label these points. Will this be the 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5. Now the axis length is a 60 millimeter. So leave the distance of a 15 millimeter here. Draw the projections and show this one of the base for our cylinder. Then complete its top view. Now shift the points which are on the circumference of circle. So label these points 1, 2 and 12, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. As the axis is inclined, VP at a 60 degree. Now this cylinder is resting on end generator core. So draws this line. As these two lines are parallel, so we'll locate the point 7. To 7, mark an angle of 60 degree. So this is a point of a 60 degree angle. Now through this, draw a line of 60 millimeter length, because axis length is a 60 millimeter. Now we have to redraw the same figure here. We have drawn this 7 end generator. Now we have to complete this. So for this, so draw line at a right angle passing through this. As this length is a 40 millimeter, so mark the point of a 40 millimeter here, and through this draw this line. And this will indicate. Now locate the axis, draw the center line. Now mark these points. So take this as a center and measure this distance. From here and mark this point. Now this distance and this distance is the same, so simply we'll turn this, then measure this distance in compass and mark it here. Similarly mark it here. Now look, label the points. This is a 7, this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this will be the 8, 9, 10, and last will be the 12. Thus all points are located. Now whenever we are looking for front view in this direction, so this circular base means this circular base is clearly visible when we are looking in the direction. So first try to locate the points for this. So through 1, draw the vertical line, and through 1, this is a horizontal line, so you get the point 1 dash. Now for 2 and 12, pick up this point in final dropping, and through this draw the vertical line. Now through this 2 and 12, draw the horizontal lines, so that we get the 2 dash and 12 dash. Now to locate the 3 and 11, so pick up these points and draw this line. So through this 3, draw this horizontal line, and through 11, draw this horizontal line. So this is a 3 dash, and here will be the 11 dash. Now to locate the point number 4 and 10, so through this draw vertical line. 4 will be the here, and for 10 this will be the point 10 dash. Now for 5 and 9, 5 is here, so we'll get the point 5, and this is a 9, we'll get the point 9 dash. Now for 6 and 8, draw this vertical line. So through this 6, this is a horizontal line, and through 8, this is a horizontal line. So this point gives us 6 dash, and this will be the 8 dash. Now the last one is a 7, and through the 7, draw this. Now locate or draw the ellipse passing through these points. So it will require some trial and error methods. Use this portion here in bottom to draw this. So this is completed. Now consider this portion. Now to draw the remaining portion, now we have to shift all these points to the bottom base. So this will be the one. Now shift all these points which already projected for the surface of this base. Now this will be the point 1, then for this 2 and 12, 2 will be the here and 12 will be the here. Then for 3 and 11, so shift this point for 3 and 11. So this is a 3, this is a 11, this is a 4 and 10, 4, and this is a 10, this is a 5 and 9. So this is a 5 and this is a 9, then 6 and 8, 6 will be overlap here and 8 will be overlap here, and last is a 7, 7 will be the here. Thus we have got all these points. Now here this half portion is visible, means this portion is visible when we are looking in the direction. So the points 4, 3, 2, 1, 12, 11 and 10, that is half of the ellipse which is formed by means of these points is visible. Means we have to draw this half ellipse by regular line as like this one, and this remaining portion is not visible, so it should be represented by dotted line. So again, by using the French curve, draw this by regular line, and this is a dotted line. So is the bottom portion. So draw this by regular line and this by dotted line. Now we have to show it by regular line. And this portion by dotted line. Again, this bottom portion by dotted line. Thus the rear base is also shown here. Join it by regular line.